have to give up everything else in your life. Your school, your friends, your girlfriend. What would you do? Harvey, where are you?
Little ghost, you're listening. I
never want to lose you.
But it all went wrong.
You see the truth.
Are you saying all this because you don't want to be with me?
Pretty sure your girlfriend just saved the entire town.
She's not my girlfriend. Not anymore.
Can I get one last kiss?
No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into
I love you, Harvey.
I love you too, Sabrina.
Keep talking.
To be heard.
I trade all the witch orgies in the world for a mobile hat.
That can't talk to you again. For a while. So what, you were just gonna leave? Without saying bye?
Oh, of course not. There's been an accident.
I don't care what you want. I'm not letting you go into the mine shaft. You have to go.
There are no limits to what I would do to help the ones I loved. I'm sorry.
Enough. Sabrina.
I have to. You broke up with me. Give up flying.
There's no flying in my life.
I'm a witch.
That you're a... You've told me this before. That you Sabrina spellman. Hiding something from me.
I think that's such a good idea.
She loves you.
I love you too
I
much.
love you, Sabrina.
I love you.
She'd die for you.
How much do you love Harvey?
I'll always love
Because you were in love with some mortal boy.
you. You must really hate me.
I could never hate you.
And don't hate me.
Why would I ever hate you?
You've always loved the strange birds.
Time, Sabrina.
Maybe that's worth forgiving her.
Give him time.
I wouldn't take it.